Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Love is kind and just. When you're in love, a smile's on your face. You feel good about yourself, and because you're happy, you are kind. Love is also just. When you make a mistake, you pay only once for that mistake. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 150, Nasdaq up 34, S&P's up 14, gold contract down $5.20, trading at $12.50 an ounce. Silver up 6 cents, $18.17 an ounce. Platinum down 16 bucks, $9.52 an ounce. Copper up 3.5 pennies at $2.66 a pound. Light sweet crude up 61 cents, $48.35 a barrel. Bonds, 10-year note down 11.6, 124.10. 30-year bond off 28.6, 150.19. King dollar up 552 ticks at 99.525. The euro is trading at 108 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at, excuse me, folks, at 111 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You get the SPY up $1.64. You're trading at $235.26. We did 82 million shares going into your downdraft out here from the 21st of 131 million. Now, you got over the high of the 23rd, which is 235.34. Oh, interesting. It didn't close over it. Yeah, you get a failure. What a trip. Okay, so check it out. This is going to be wild watching this check out. So, the SPY is down on the 21st, 237.61 to 233. We do 131 million shares. You get a little bit lower and a rejected lower price on the 22nd. You go up on the 23rd, 235.34. And we did 100 million. So we did 82 million into 100. And what happened here, which is pretty cool, is that right at the end of the market, like the last 5 minutes, folks, that's when this just got below that number. We went from 235.56 down to 235.32. So bottom line is you get a failure at that number. So that's saying that, guess what? You can go lower, and I mean tomorrow. This is going to be wild watching this thing shake out. Dow Industrials. So what did the Dow do? The Dow was at 20,000, is at 20,701. The number to keep your eye on is 20,653, because the Dow did get into its higher range. Let's see, 7. Yeah, it didn't make it up to the swing point that we're talking about inside the S&Ps. But bottom line, just as the S&P wants to go lower, the Dow is the weakest indice right now. Nasdaq Composite. What do we have with the Composite? Now, the Composite is the strongest indice. The Composite right now is trading at a price point of 58.75. We were up 34 bucks. You're coming into the big downdraft also. The bottom line is that the Composite did close above the 24th of March. That means it can get up and test that high. NDX 100. What do we have at the NDX 100? NDX 100 got to a price point today of $132.03, and that also can go up and test the high. Volume's light. It's 22 million going into 35, but it did close over all those swing points. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract, folks, back down, lighter volume, all of the above. And what the gold contract actually did is that the gold contract is pushing against its swing point with volume. The GDX back down with lighter volume. The gold contract, we did 233,000 contracts. You're pushing into 208,000 at the February 2nd swing high. The February 2nd swing high is 1264. We got to 1258. And yesterday you got to 1261. Silver. Silver also wants higher price. what's interesting about silver is that silver was the weak dog. And the last couple of days, it picked up. We just went from $17.46 on the 22nd to $18.17 today. You're coming into that vicious downdraft from the 2nd of March, and you're so far into that bar is that your probability is much higher, though, that you're going to get to the top of that bar. The top of the bar is $18.48. The bottom, $17.70. We're at $18.17. Bonds. We can take a look at the bond market. What you have with bonds, notes and bonds, folks, they both pull back, have lighter volume. They're pulling back into their strength. They still want higher price. The 10-year is at 124.10. It did 1.2 million contracts. 30-year hasn't made it down to actually its strength yet. So the 30-year is down 27 ticks. You're at 150.20. That would have to get into 150.09. 150.09, that's where we had 333,000 contracts. You did 229 today. And good old King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? King Dollar, folks, got a counter trend bounce up here today. You did 26,000 contracts. King Dollar is a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. You get a price projection in King Dollar of 97.030. We broke the B point yesterday. We broke it with volume. So we come downtown with 31,745 contracts. You go up today with 26,000. Now, this will make it a complex ABC down. And the reason it would be complex is that we just passed the B point again, being 99,340. But as you pass it, you're coming back with lighter volume. So what a complex ABC down would be is this. You come down with volume. You build calls, you break the B point with volume. You get a price projection. You go back on the other side of the B point. In this case, that means you're going back higher than 99.340, and your volume is still contracting. As long as you have the volume still contracting, still an ABC structure on the way down. So bottom line, what normally happens there is that you'll see that it'll build a little bit more cars. It goes after the B point once again. And, of course, the correlation between the dollar, the yen, and the euro, they're all, dollar goes up, yen is getting stronger, euro is getting weaker. You stay right there, folks. I'm going to come back with I'm Mr. Andy Heck, as we do each and every Tuesday and Thursday. Dow finished up 150, NASDAQ up 34, S&P's up 12. We're going to be right back, folks.